So we're going to be talking about electromagnetic waves. And electromagnetic waves are waves that travel from the sun to the earth. We're talking about heat that is traveling from the sun to the earth. Okay, and these different types of waves that we have traveling from the sun to the earth vary greatly in their wavelength. So we have something called the electromagnetic spectrum. Which is a way of organizing the electromagnetic waves in order of longest wavelength to shortest wavelength. So it's a way of organizing our different types of electromagnetic waves. So it's a way of organizing different electromagnetic waves. Okay, and so we're going to talk about the different types of waves and how they've been classified along the spectrum. So the first one we're going to talk about are our radio waves. Okay, and starting with our radio waves, they have the longest wavelength and the least amount of energy. So, longest Okay, so the next one we're going to talk about our microwaves. Okay, and so as we're moving left to right, the wavelength is getting shorter and our energy is getting higher. So, microwaves have slightly shorter wavelengths and a little bit more energy than our radio waves. The second one, or the third one, are infrared. And that has slightly shorter wavelength than these and a little bit more energy than the other ones. Okay, so those are our three. And then we have visible, which is the part of the electromagnetic spectrum that we can actually see. And so we're still moving toward the right. We're still getting shorter wavelength and more energy. So visible light has more energy than our radio waves. Okay, next we have UV, or ultraviolet radiation. Shorter wavelength, higher energy. Okay, two more. X-ray. And then finally, our gamma. So, as we get down to our gamma, we're going to have the shortest wavelength. But also our highest energy. Okay, and so this is the different ways that we have classified light traveling from the sun to the earth.